Hey guys, I'm really excited because today we're making venison bolognese. A pasta bolognese is a true Italian classic, and it's one of my personal favorites. I make it all the time with all kinds of different wild game meats. Today we're going to be making it with venison mixed with some pork, but the first step is making our sauce. And the first step in making the sauce is making the sofrito. The sofrito is a mix of vegetables. We have some diced up carrots and some sweet onion, and we have some celery that I'm going to be dicing up here in a minute. So we're going to be adding some garlic and a little bit of heat with some chili peppers. Just got to finish chopping up the rest of these veggies and we'll get them in the pan. So now that we have the sofrito all prepped, the next step is to render some bacon. I have a few slices of really smoky bacon here. We're going to add this into the pan with a little oil, render that fat out, and the next step we'll be adding in the venison and pork mix. Now that we got all the venison browned up just enough, there's lots of beautiful residue left in the pan, and that's going to be a huge flavor. So it's time to add in the sofrito. All the veggies are looking great. It has just a little bit of color. All the onions are nice and translucent. So the next step is a very important one. It may not be very popular with everyone. And that step is adding garlic and anchovies. I don't care if you don't like anchovies raw. You have to add this to the sauce. It adds so much umami effect, which is kind of like this extra flavor that you have that you can't really put your finger on it, but it's really, really good. So all we're gonna do here is we're gonna make a little bit of a well beside the veggies. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. And then we're going to add the anchovies and garlic right in the middle. And we're going to slowly saute these up. We're going to saute this for a couple more minutes, and then we're going to add some rosemary, some of the heat, and we're going to mix everything together. And there you have it, venison bolognese. All we got left to do is plate it up and dig in.
Hey folks, hope you enjoyed this video. For more great videos and content, please subscribe to our page and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see. And to follow our amazing adventures around Canada, please join us on Facebook and Instagram.